Back on the vlogs, baby! It's a day in the life of the UK's most humble plumber. That's a fact. I am the most humble. Tell your mum, tell your sister, tell your uncle. UK's most humble plumber. That is probably the title. I don't know, I might have changed it by now. Thumbnail, obviously, this is going to make sense. It's going to make so much sense. Because today, we're trying to do a leak repair on a radiator. Oh, right, okay, let's do the thumbnail quick. Right, there we go. So there's the thumbnail done before I turn up outside the customer's house. Right, so we're trying, again, I'm trying Miracle Seal. From the degenerates over at C-Tech. We're going to follow the instructions as I did last time I was here. I've already put 2 bottles in. It's done absolutely jack. So customers asked me if I can put another 2 bottles in. If he wants to keep paying me to put these in, sure, let's do it. Right, so here's the offender. As you can see right there. And judging by this brown stuff, the Miracle Seal's tried already getting through. Because the water was very clean and now it's not. Now, radiators, none anywhere else. Just towel rail, no others. So, the hose set up. All of the underfloor heating shut off. Sealed system, which is easy peasy. Right, we can hear that's running. Right, so that's draining, but I'm draining it into this bucket outside just to see what comes out of it, seeing as we've already put 2 things of CT1 in. What's it called? Miracle Seal. So as much as I really want to add it directly into that radiator, we can't, there's nowhere to pour it in. So we'll have to pour it in top of this one. So I know you got some questions, so why don't I answer the questions? Why have I not just replaced the tail rail? Makes the most sense, doesn't it? Makes loads of sense. So I went to the job previously, and they said, we want a new tail rail. It's leaking. Right, now it was leaking from the actual radiator inside of the chrome. Okay, and so I said, yeah, no worries, let me get you a price. Now they emailed back and forth with the bathroom showroom and they could not find the exact same one. Right, so they want the exact same one with the round top so you can put 2 towels on it. Now I must admit, I've looked everywhere. I can't find the exact same one. Now, it doesn't matter whether it can hold 2 towels or not. It's that they want that style. They're in love with that tail rail. So that is what is staying. So what they did was they took the centre out, sent it away to get powder coated, cleaned up and powder coated, come back, and I reassembled it and refit it. We didn't get any leaks from any of the joints or the radiator itself. Perfectly good. But then that chrome has now started leaking on a join which is probably a weld, right? So obviously, cut story short, I've already put 2 things of Miracle Seal in. Now I didn't last time isolate the underfloor heating, so this time, bearing in mind it's only going around 2 radiators, it's a 2 radiator circuit. It's not going around any more pipe work than that. There's no radiators in any of the other bedrooms or downstairs. The rest is underfloor heating, which has been now isolated. So that Miracle Seals will only be circulating once I put it in around those 2 radiators. So if it doesn't work, it's probably going to be the title of this video. I'm absolutely going to slam dunk on it, obviously, because it's not cheap. Have I got the receipt? Okay, Miracle Seal. For the two that I brought two. £25.66. So it's not cheap stuff, really. It does work as inhibitor, so it's not like you have to worry about how much you're putting in. You can put in loads and loads and loads. I know other plumbers that have said, oh, it doesn't work. Spoke to them, and all they've said is, we'll keep putting more in, which isn't really reasonable. And seeing as this is such a small system, and so far it's not worked, and I've put 2 bottles in, we're now at the point where we're putting in over £50 worth of Miracle Seal, so it better work, basically. So at the minute, I'm having my cup of tea. Cheers, guys. We love a cup of tea. Milk, 1 sugar, please. Not a bad tea today. Look, it's a decent colour. I'm just waiting for it to drain down. It's a bit slow to drain down. So we'll get it drained down. For some reason, he's been topping up the pressure himself and has put it up to 3 bar. So at the minute, because it's quite slow anyway, it's taken ages just to get the pressure out of it before I can even open up the bleed valve. So let me enjoy my cup of tea. I'm going to go watch some, I don't know, some Instagram reels or something, and then we'll come back. It's not running no more. Oh. Is that what it looked like? Oh, God. Come on. Is it 30 seconds or 60? Application, domestic, commercial. For ceiling leaks in underfloor heating. Solar panel systems, blah, blah, blah. Shake vigorously for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's off. So, right, so we're just going to unscrew this side. And we're not doing this side because, look, I don't think we can. Right, come on, come out. That's somewhere safe. Right, so there's it looks like bitty hot chocolate, and it smells so good. I don't know why it smells so bloody good. Right, ooh. Look, got my toe detectors on, don't worry. Not toe detectors, what they call them. Overshoes, oh fuck. Disaster avoided. We do not want that on cream carpets. Sorry, I need 2 hands, son. You're gonna have to just wait there. Here we go. Oh, there's one. Now it says wait 30 minutes and then add in the other one. But I am. I'm putting both in. So when this doesn't work, they've got an excuse to say, oh yeah, but you didn't wait 30 minutes before you put the next one in. So that I say, shut up. Just shut up. Let's put that back in. Don't worry, saying, oh, what if it leaks? Well, we've obviously got a Miracle Seal to deal with that. That's a thought. Why doesn't it block up the bleed valve? You know what I mean? Why wouldn't it block up the vent? It's too good to be true, isn't it, really? Right, that's off. Right, so I've got the heating on straight away, even though I haven't actually bled it. Just because I want to get it circulating. I don't want it to not be circulating, basically. Let's put some pressure in it. I mean, I haven't really taken much out. But do you want to just as well make 100% sure Yeah, these are open. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Right, radiator's full. I'm going to bleed this one just to make sure. It's already scorching hot. And there we go, that's filled up. So it says if it doesn't work within half an hour, then put more in, basically. So we're just going to wait half an hour and come back to this still leaking, I should imagine. And for those of you that are wondering about this water, you can't tell because it's in an orange bucket. Let's pour it and you should be able to see the colour. See, it's like a yellow. It does not smell as nice as the bottles of the Miracle Seal. That smells absolutely rank, like normal central heating water. Right, that is piping hot. I mean, it's so hot, I feel like that little bead would have dried. Okay. Give it another 10 minutes. I don't need to give it 10 minutes. I'm still here. I don't know. Right, I'm off ski, but let's get my hoses clamped up. These are cool. A lot of people ask me about them. Now I have tools. They're actually called Versa clamps. They're pretty good because it just keeps it lovely and tidy, and then you can just launch it in the back of the van and it's not going to keep coming apart. And it's better than your Velcro straps. Miracle Seal, leave your honest opinions in the comments. You can tell me I'm an idiot if you think I've done it wrong. Customer knows what to do now. So he's going to leave that on, running, circulating just upstairs till the end of the day. And then I've shown him where the red lever is for the underfloor heating. Turn that at the end of the day and then the underfloor heating's all back on and circulating. If it does continue to leak, then obviously he's just going to shut off the lock shields. You can just turn them off with your hands. I've already been through all this and shown them before. I said, please update me at the end of the day, and I will put that message over the top of me talking right now so that you can see whether or not Miracle Seal has finally worked after 4 bottles, 2 visits, and a lot of wasted time. So there you go. So here's the outro. Don't forget to at least like the video. Otherwise I'm doing this for nothing, and I need that dopamine rush of likes and shares and comments. Comments are brilliant. I love a comment, please. And then once you've done all of that, I'm then going to ask you for even more by asking you to subscribe. Or don't. Is this the greatest content in the world? Not really. I mean, I'm filming it in portrait still. Still, I'm filming it in portrait. And I'm never going to stop. So, peace out. I'll see you on the next job. I don't know what he's ever booked in front of me because I just do repair and maintenance stuff. So, it could be anything. It could be another wild adventure with Professor Plum. Peace out, motherfuckers!